Supreme Court, in fact, has sought status report from Manipur government on the situation in the state post the clashes. Now, next date of hearing will be the 17th of May. Remember, there has been violence going on for a lot of days now. Manipur government has got 10 days to submit its report to the Supreme Court. That is the latest we are getting in right now, as the Supreme Court, the apex court, has sought a status report from the Manipur government on the situation in the state, as violence has been continuing, and there has been, of course, intermittent relief as well for the people of Manipur as well. Next date of hearing in this case, remember, is the 17th of May. That is the latest we have. The CGI has said that we will keep the matter on the 17th of May, which will give them 10 days. My colleague, the legal editor, Rhythm, is joining us on the phone line for more. Rhythm, what more details can you share with us?
Well, the Manipur government informs the Supreme Court that companies of CAPF, columns of Assam Rifles, have been deployed to take care of the situation. The Solicitor General also said normalcy is returning in Manipur. He said court is concerned with the Supreme Court said they are concerned with the loss of life. Supreme Court said that they hope that these proceedings will not destabilize the state. The Supreme Court also asked the state to make arrangements in relief camps and take precautions to rehabilitate displaced people. They've also said protect places of religious worship. A status report will have to be filed within 10 days. The case is going to be heard next on the 17th of May. The Supreme Court is very clear that when it comes to this case, they want to ensure that normalcy is quickly come back to. The Chief Justice has put in his order that the Solicitor General has assured the court that the considerations they have raised will be taken into consideration, and they want rehabilitation and precautions to religious worship places as a prime important thing.
All right, thank you so much, Rhythm, for joining us with all those details on that story. Remember, viewers, the violence has been, of course, breaking out in the state of Manipur, and now the Supreme Court has sought a report from the Manipur government, asking it to file the status report within 10 days. All right, so the latest in the Manipur violence case, we do know that the Supreme Court has asked the Manipur government to file a status report about the status report, and Manipur government has just received 10 days. CGI said that we will keep the matter on the 17th of May so that they get 10 days. Updated status report shall be placed in the given time, and they've also said Manipur government has informed the Supreme Court that companies of CAPF and columns of Assam Rifles have been deployed to take care of the situation. The Solicitor General also informed that normalcy is returning to the state.